Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 3.10, the good and bad of hiding and hiding worksheets. To hide a worksheet, choose Home, Cells, Format, Hide, and Unhide Sheet. Or right-click its Sheet tab and choose Hide. The active worksheet or selected worksheet will be hidden from view. To unhide a hidden worksheet, choose Home, Cells, Format, Hide, and Unhide Sheet, or right-click any Sheet tab and choose Unhide. Excel opens the Unhide dialog box, which lists all hidden sheets. Choose the sheet you want to display and click OK. You can't select multiple sheets from the dialog box, so you need to repeat the command each time. For example, if we want to hide sheet 2, hit hide. If you want to unhide sheet 2, you have to go back to sheet 1 and hit unhide. If there are multiple sheets, you're going to see sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, so on and so forth. That's the good thing about it. The bad thing is you just might forget about it, or you might just find that it's a conflict between working with multiple sheets. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for your time.